Okay, so let us now talk about the high ticket versus volume affiliate funnels. Two wildly different approaches, but very powerful. So let's unpack which one is right for you. Let me start with asking you a question. Have you ever signed up for an affiliate program excited only to get zero results? Chances are it's because your funnel did not match your offer. Maybe you used a webinar for a $29 tool, or you blasted TikTok with a $2,000 program link. And that's like using a butter knife to cut concrete. So it's not about effort, it's about the right fit. What if you could match your offer type to a funnel style that's engineered to convert it? Today we'll decode the two most common and successful affiliate models. High ticket funnels sell less, earn more. Volume funnels go viral, earn often. And you will learn how to build both. Choose the right one for your business and avoid the mismatches that waste time and money. So let's break this down into funnel purpose, commission models, buyer psychology, real tools and examples, and when to use which. Starting with funnel purpose. Okay, so the model is high ticket. The goal is fewer sales, higher commission. The traffic style could be quality is more important than quantity. Volume, many sales, lower commission. Over here, quantity is more important than quality. A coaching program could be a high ticket funnel giving $1,000 or €1,000 per sale, or a design tool that comes for €29 pounds giving £10 per sale. So that's the funnel. Number two is the commission and content styles. Commission and content styles. High ticket, webinars, one-on-one discovery call, email sequences, case studies, and long form video sales letters. For the volume ones, TikToks, Reels, Shorts, SEO blogs and review sites, coupon codes and bundle offers, carousel posts, and YouTube top 5 tool videos, and similar. Next is buyer psychology. High ticket buyers think, can I trust this person? Will this give me ROI? They want logic, trust, and proof. Volume buyers think, ooh, that's cool, and add to cart. They want fast, fun, and frictionless. Now let's talk about some real examples. High ticket funnel. ClickFunnels Dream Car Program. Affiliates build funnels, run Facebook ads to a VSL, and schedule calls. A volume funnel, Canva AI tools on TikTok. 15-second trending sound, quick tip, affiliate link in bio. Your job is to match your product and your traffic to the right engine. So when to use which? So if you are promoting online coaching or consulting, high ticket. SaaS with monthly recurring, high ticket or hybrid. Ebooks, templates, courses, volume. Chrome extensions, tools, volume. Community access, low ticket, volume again. Today's a ChatGPT prompt that you can give a try. Based on this product description, is it more suited for a high ticket affiliate funnel or a volume based approach? Generate a matching funnel outline, and ChatGPT is going to give you a great output. Okay, so here is the truth. There's no one size fits all when it comes to affiliate funnels. It's about alignment between product, platform, audience, and psychology. So if your offer is high trust and high value, build a high ticket funnel. If your offer is fun, fast, and affordable, go volume and go viral. Action step: use the downloadable worksheet below to identify your product funnel fit. Map out 3 content ideas for the funnel type that suits your product. Plug your answers into the Made Easy Funnel Builder canvas. And hey, if you're still unsure, post inside the student community, and I'll personally review your funnel idea, and let's move from confusion to clarity. Because once your funnel fits, your earnings flip.